Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get past XP fast in anime Vanguard. We'll dive into the core mechanics of experience gain, ensuring you understand how to maximize your progress. You'll learn about the most efficient strategies, including daily and weekly challenges, which are crucial for significant experience boosts. We'll also cover the best game modes to play for rapid progression, helping you climb those pass levels quickly and effectively. To truly accelerate your pass experience, maximizing daily and weekly missions is key. Make sure to complete all available daily missions every single day, as these provide a steady stream of experience points. Weekly challenges offer even more substantial boosts, so prioritize these for big gains. Many missions involve using specific characters or playing certain game modes, so keep an eye on those requirements. Always check the mission reset timers to ensure you never miss out on potential experience. Choosing the right game modes is crucial for fast experience gain. Prioritize playing modes that inherently offer higher base experience point rewards upon completion. Always focus on winning your matches, as victories often provide significant bonus experience. If you have access to experience boost items or premium pass benefits, make sure to activate them for a substantial increase. Additionally, grouping with friends can sometimes provide party experience bonuses, making your grind even more efficient. Consistency is paramount for rapid pass experience progression. Dedicate regular play sessions to maintain momentum and steadily accumulate experience points. Optimize your character builds to ensure faster match completion, as quicker games mean more experience per hour. Always participate in any special events, as these often offer limited-time experience opportunities that can provide massive boosts. Finally, regularly review your progress and adjust your strategies as needed to ensure you are always playing as efficiently as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.